Hi, this is Chris with Spatial Integrated Systems, wanting to inform you of a really cool and exciting event we have in Lancaster, Pennsylvania on May the 8th for Solid Edge University. So, for those that are local to the Lancaster area or are within driving distance, now is your time to grow, prosper, and gain insightful knowledge. So, where is it located? It starts at 10 a.m. on May the 8th at the Lancaster Science Factory. This event is primarily for your CAD designers, engineers, manufacturers, as well as CAD leaders in helping you grow and develop your knowledge and insight with the Siemens Solid Edge platform. So, as we look at the agenda, what can we expect? We will then get into the latest version of Solid Edge, which is the release 2025 with Cecil Pruitt, our in-house Solid Edge expert. We'll then have a really cool contest, paper airplane. Who doesn't like paper airplanes? Whether you're 10, 12, 50, or 60, we'll have a little contest there at the Science Factory, as well as we are providing lunch and beverages. We'll then do a live Q&A in helping us better understand from your perspective, what do you want to see better, quicker, faster with the Solid Edge tool in the future. We'll then discuss a newer capability, which is called value-based licenses, or also known as tokens, and showing you the potential capabilities you could have with streamlining your process on leveraging niche applications within the Solid Edge umbrella. We'll then talk through what you can do from a simulation standpoint inside of Solid Edge with our in-house simulation guru expert, Brady Walther. Kevin will then get into technical publications showing you seamless CAD integration as well as showing you faster documentation workflows. We'll then pivot back to Cecil, our in-house Solid Edge guru, to showing you data management options you have at your disposal. Again, we look forward to seeing you on May the 8th at the Lancaster Science Factory in Lancaster, PA. This is our first time hosting an event in Pennsylvania in quite some time. So we look forward to seeing all of the friendly faces in the area.